Golden crispy shrimp coated with a spicy aromatic sauce. My grandmother's ginger shrimp is a perfect harmony of sweet, juicy shrimp with a fresh kick of green chili and ginger. That comes together in under 30 minutes. So let's make it. Welcome to episode 4 of Inheriting Flavors, where I take my grandmother's recipes and cook them for the first time in front of you. Make sure you have a sharp knife and prioritize technique over speed. The scallion greens are for garnish, and the whites go into the stir fry. This recipe specifically calls for julienne ginger, and that's key because you want the bite of the ginger as you eat this dish. Coat the shrimp in some salt, egg, and cornstarch to create a lovely batter around them. This ensures that they get crispy as they fry in the hot oil. These don't take long to cook at all. As soon as they've turned golden and curled up slightly, they're ready to be flipped and fried on the other side. I don't know about you, but there's something magical about the aroma of fried shrimp. Do not throw away this oil. You can fry your eggs in it or cook another stir fry with it. It has intense shrimp flavor. Everything comes together pretty quickly now. Once you smell the aroma of the ginger and garlic, add in the cabbage. Now it's time to add the spicy component, the green chili sauce. This is a condiment that was invented in my hometown of Kolkata and marries the taste of the locals with Chinese flavors. I highly recommend acquiring a bottle of this. The aroma of the ginger, garlic, and green chili sauce infuse into the shrimp, creating a multi-layered flavor with delicious complexity. I add in a little bit of water to help the sauce cling to the shrimp. And that's pretty much it. It's time to garnish and serve. The shrimp is perfectly cooked. All right, let's try this ginger green chili shrimp from my grandmother's cookbook. Again, I've never cooked this before. I had no idea of the proportions. This is a really simple recipe, so I encourage you to try it at home. Let's try.
Let's do it.
The shrimp flavor really comes through.
It's that shrimp oil.
Yeah. That's added a lot to this. And then, you taste a little bit of the aromatics, so the ginger and the garlic and the green onion. This would be good with noodles, like stir-fried noodles, or even the chow mein that we shared on our channel.
Oh, yeah.
This would be a nice accompaniment to it. So, what do you think, Ross?
Yeah, like you said, pretty shrimpy. I used to not like shrimp, so I would not have liked this then, but I've come around and this is great shrimp flavor. Cooked perfectly, little bit of spice, evened out with the ginger and garlic. Yeah, this is really nice. I could see myself eating this. Maybe sometime soon.
Well, that's a win. If you try this at home, let me know how it turned out in the comments, and see you next week.
Enjoy.
This ginger shrimp goes so well with my street-style chow mein recipe. Click here to watch that next.